Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic, subtraction of fraction. Topic will be subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fraction, page number 92. This is lesson number 3 and HW number 2. Dear students, it's HW number 2. Okay, dear students, now let us start our class. In previous two class, we have already introduced what is fraction. Here two fractions given, 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. We have to subtract this fraction, that means 2 by 4, from this fraction, that means 3 by 4. We are solving two number math from page number 92. At first, we will subtract 2 by 4 from 3 by 4 using figure. Suppose this is a bread and I have divided this bread into 4 equal parts. Okay, this is one bread and I have divided this bread into 4 equal parts. From these 4 equal parts, if I take 3 parts, that means these 3 parts if I have take, then we will say it, name of this part will be 3 by 4. This part is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now, we will express 2 by 4 by figure again. This is another bread and I have divided this bread into 4 equal parts again. Total 4 parts and I will take 2 parts from this 4 part. These 2 parts I will take. The name of this part will be 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Now, if we subtract this part from this part, here 3 part and here 2 part. If we subtract, then only 1 part will be exist. If we subtract this part from this part, then total part 4. If we subtract these 2 part from 3 part, then only 1 part will be exist. That means only this part will be exist. And its name will be 1 by 4. That means if we subtract this 2 by 4 from 3 by 4, then we will get 1 by 4. Now, how can we can solve the problem here? Dear students, in first fraction, numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. In second fraction, numerator is 2 and denominator is 4. In these two fraction, denominator is same, and in this case, after finishing the subtraction, we will get a fraction, and that fraction denominators also will be 4. Now, what will come in numerators part? Just you have to write to these two numerator, 3 and 2, and you have to give subtraction sign between these two numbers. Now, if we subtract this 2 from 3, then it will be 1, and in denominators 4 will come. That means 1 by 4 we have got 1 by 4. If we subtract 2 by 4 from 3 by 4, then answer will be 1 by 4. In the figure we have also got it, 1 by 4. So, answer will be 1 by 4. Okay, dear the students, now we'll solve code number, and without using figure we will solve now. You need not to use figure, just I have used this figure for understanding. In these two fraction, denominators, common denominators are 6, so here denominators also will be 6. Now we have to write the numerator only 5 and 1, and we have to give subtraction sign between these two numbers. If we subtract 1 from 5, it will be 4, and denominator is 6. That means answer will be 4 by 6. Answer 4 by 6. Okay, dear the students, now we'll solve 6th number. We have to subtract 2 by 9 from 7 by 9. Here common denominators 9, so here denominators also will be 9. Now we have to write these two numerator, that means 7 and 2, and have to give subtraction sign between these two number. Now if we subtract 2 from 7, then it will be 5. 7 minus 2 equal to 5, and denominators 9. So answer will be 5 by 9. Okay, dear the students, now we'll solve 8 number. Here common denominators 8, so here denominators will be 8. And now we'll write two numerator 5 and 3. We have to give subtraction sign between these two number. Now 5 minus 3 equal to 2, so we'll write 2 by 8 here, and it will be answer 2 by 8. Okay, dear the students, now we'll solve 9 number. Here we have to subtract 7 by 8 from 1. Dear students, 1 is an integer, but 7 by 8 is a fraction. So we have to subtract this fraction from this integer. Now how can we subtract it? Can we express this 1 as a fraction? Yes. You know that when the numerator and denominators of a fraction are same, then the value of that fraction will be 1. That means instead of 1, if we want, we can write 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 5, 10 by 10, 11 by 11, 20 by 20, 100 by 100. Okay. Here in second fraction, denominator is 8. So instead of 1, we will write here 8 by 8. Here we can write 8 by 8 minus 7 by 8. Okay, dear the students, now common denominators is 8, so denominators will be 8. Now we will write two numerator 8 and 7, and have to give subtraction sign between these two number. That means 8 minus 7 divided by 8. Now 8 minus 7 equal to what? 8 minus 7 equal to 1. Numerator 1 and denominators 8. So answer will be 1 by 8. Okay, dear the students, today's last math will solve now 12 number. Here also we have to subtract this fraction from this integer. Here integer number is 1, and here denominator is in second fraction, denominator is 9. So instead of 1, we will write now 9 by 9. 9 by 9 minus 4 by 9. Common denominators 9, so we will write here denominators is 9. Now we will write these two numerator 9 and 4, and have to give subtraction sign between these two number. Now 9 minus 4, this is equal to 5. 5 by 9. Answer will be 5 by 9. Okay, dear the students, we have finished our today's CW. Now I will give you SW. This is SW number 2, and topic of SW is subtraction of page number 92, and question number 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, dear students, I hope you will be able to do your SW properly. So do your SW and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.